When choosing a motherboard for your new PC build, one of the first decisions you'll need to make is the form factor. The two most common types are Mini ITX and ATX, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these can help you make the right choice for your specific needs. Mini ITX motherboards are small in size, typically measuring 170mm x 170mm. This compactness makes them ideal for small form factor (SFF) cases, which are perfect for those looking to build a portable or space-saving PC. The main advantage of Mini ITX boards is their size, which allows you to save a significant amount of desk space. They are also lighter and often consume less power. However, this compactness comes with trade-offs. Mini ITX motherboards generally have fewer expansion slots and ports, limited to one PCIe slot and a handful of USB ports. This can be a limitation if you plan to use multiple GPUs, additional storage devices, or other peripherals. The limited space also often means less robust cooling solutions, which can be a drawback for high-performance or gaming builds where thermal management is crucial. On the other hand, ATX motherboards are larger, typically measuring 305mm x 244mm. This extra space allows for more features and expandability, making them a popular choice for gaming rigs and high-performance workstations. ATX boards usually come with multiple PCIe slots, more RAM slots, and a greater number of ports. This makes them ideal for users who need a lot of connectivity options, such as multiple graphics cards, additional storage drives, and extensive USB peripherals. The larger size also often means better heat dissipation and more robust cooling solutions, which can be crucial for maintaining performance in demanding applications.